Chuchu TV surprise! Pick me! Thank you! Shall we open the violet egg? Open! 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 Surprise! A photo album! Yay!
Here are some photos we took in the park. Can you stick them neatly in the album?
Sure, Mr. Harlow! We've done it!
Fantastic! Let's say it again, shall we?
A photo album! Pick me! Thank you! Let's open up the white egg. Open. 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 Surprise! Yay! Building blocks! Yay!
Look! There is a booklet with pictures showing how to make a truck. With that as a reference, build a truck with these blocks.
We'll do it, Mr. Harlow.
Perfect! Let's say it again, shall we?
Building blocks! Pick me! Thank you! Shall we open the orange egg? Open! 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 Surprise! Yay! A toy hen! Yay!
When you click on the button, the toy hen lays eggs.
Wow! The hen is making a sound when laying eggs.
Yes, the hen makes a short, low sound called a cluck. Let's say it again, shall we?
A toy hen! Thank you! Let's open the blue egg! Open! 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 Surprise! Yay! Wow! The flowers are beautiful! What is the name of this flower, Mr. Harlow?
They are tulips. They smell good, too. Can you pluck the flowers and put them in this basket?
Okay, Mr. Harlow.
Let's say it again, shall we?
Flowers!
Good! What did you learn today?
This is what we learned to do today with the gifts we got. In the photo album, there were photos we stuck. With the building blocks, we made a nice truck. The toy hen laid eggs and made the sound cluck, cluck, cluck. From the tulip plant, album. Flowers. A toy hen.
Building blocks.
Fantastic! Let's now watch the song on 5 little ducks and their mother duck.
Wow! Thank you, Mr. Harlow.
But only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back.